to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. So today is a haul day. Yes, it is not the Black Friday season. Well, usually I do hauls whenever the Black Friday season is up. I show you guys what I get. But I thought why not get a different thing in the channel by doing normal hauls. So these are pretty much the stuffs which I get usually, and there are a lot of stuffs which we got at the end of June and some in the beginning of July. Now there are a lot of stuffs which are already in use and some which are already packed in, some home goodies which are huge and still in the car. But here it is, and whatever items are present over here, I'm going to be showing it to you guys, and I hope you guys will really like it. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a big like, don't forget to subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Beginning it off with my favorite store, which is Forever 21. When they're selling Forever 21, it's a very good deal of buying clothes from there because it starts off the price like 1 BD, 2 BD, 3 BD, and it goes on. Well, this is an off sale item, and first item I bought from there was this cute crop top. So this is a very cute crop top in this cute orange, and it gives all autumn vibes, and it's perfect for summer too. We cut in the front and in the back, and it has a cute little bow tie you can tie, and there are cute buttons in the front. Well, inside you can wear a cute tube top, so that's the reason I bought this. I don't own any crop top like this, so I thought it would fit me really well, and it fits me well too. So I got this item from there. So, next thing, we bought this cute ear muffler, which my sister wanted for wearing it in UK. So the next item was this massive overcoat, which we got from Forever 21. It's in this brown shade color, and it keeps yourself really warm. It has cute details at the end of the sleeve, and got this for 5 BD. That was a really good day. And the next item is this oversized jacket, which is in the cream color, and the material inside is really very nice, which keeps you warm. And this was also for 5 BD. Actually, the original price is 22, and getting these stuffs, winter items in Forever 21 for such cheap rate, it's amazing. And this is also for my sister. Well, the previous jacket and this, because UK is pretty much really cold over there. And the next item is again my sister's, which is this knitted sweater, and it is really oversized. It's really comfortable. Like, anything oversized is always comfortable, in the olive green color she bought. And this is for 3 BD. This was for sale. I love that. Next item is this really cute top. I pretty much always purchase all summer clothes, be it winter or anything. I love purchasing summer clothes, and I hate sweaters. A very cute blue color, and I did not own anything in this color, so I really thought of getting it, and I got this for sale for 5 BD. And it's like a coat, like it's like a cute what do you say this?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's like a cute shrug my mom got for her, and yeah, it's really a very cute belt. And this was not on sale. This she bought for 5 BD. And the next item is we bought scrunchies, and this is one of the scrunchie I'm wearing. It's a red color. Got a packet of scrunchies. Buying scrunchies is never less for a girl. So this is a whole pack we bought for like one. Oops. And she got another scrunchie which is in a black, and it has a dimmer. And I also got a mirror. Well, this was not the mirror which we got like recently in July. I got it in June, so that's the reason I've already used it, but still I thought of showing it to you guys. And you know, I do a lot of makeup videos, so I thought this mirror would really help me. It's a hand mirror, and it's so comfortable of applying makeup. The last item from Forever 21 is this not like off shoulder. Well, you can wear it off shoulder, or you can wear it like shoulder or something. This is for my sister, and this is a very cute pinkish color, and it suits her well. Well, she can wear it like with high-waisted jeans. So that's it from Forever 21. Moving on with the next store. The next store is All the Good Things, which is Body Shop. From Body Shop, my sister purchased for herself the tea tree, the clearing and mattifying toner. Tea tree items are really good, and she also did get the same tea trees cleansing scrub. And the next thing is tea tree oil for marks and stuff. And this thing is so small, but it's too expensive, but it gets over also too fast. So she got like 2 or 3 which she already packed in. We got this green tea body butter, and it smells amazing.
Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Tastes nice.
And we got these two Must-In cleansing cloth. It's a facial cloth and you can't use regular cloth. So we got then few face masks, and my mom got for herself a coconut soap. It turns out we bought two green tea body butters. The next is we got this almond milk body yogurt, 100% vegan, and it's too soothing for your skin. We got that, and I love shower gels from either Bath and Body Works or from Body Shop. I got this in the strawberry shower gel. Well, I like the green tea better, but since they were out of stock, they were not there much, so I got two strawberry flavor ones. So that were all the stuffs I got from Body Shop. Moving on with the next store. Next store is Matalan. We didn't get a lot of stuffs, but then my mom got for the house the white floral candle. It smells amazing. The next thing is a pair of jeans in this cute shade. Well, if you're wondering if it fits well, yeah, it perfectly fits well for her. She fits into any size of jeans. Well, it's a little different in my case. So I got this basic shirt. So yeah, that were all the stuffs I got from Matala. Now moving on with the next store. So we got into Marks and Spencer, and when they're sale in Marks and Spencer, it's amazing time. So my sister just saw these pair of heels. Well, they are called as stilettos, but I love calling it heels. So these are like normal basic black pointed heels, and yeah, it's really pretty, and we got it like for a very cheap rate. Marks and Spencer is on the expensive side, and when there's sale in like footwear or anything, it's amazing. So my sister got this. Well, even I saw a pair of heels, but I tried it on and it was too hard. I did not have this foam, and I don't purchase basically pointed heels. So we got a black pair of jeans. My mom got for herself a black pair of jeans. Then she got for herself a blue pair of jeans. These are the basic blue pair of jeans. I got for myself a pair of skinny jeans. The jeans I purchased for myself were on sale, but my mom purchased the two jeans were not on sale, because most of the times if jeans of Marks and Spencer are on sale, people usually go and buy it. But we did not find the size, so my mom purchased it off sale. And unfortunately, we purchased a lot of lingerie also, but my mom has put it to wash, so I can't show it to you guys. And that were all the stuffs we bought from Marks and Spencer. Moving on to one of my favorite stores, which is Zara. And we purchased a lot of stuff, but a few stuffs we purchased which cannot be shown, and we have packed it in. But the stuffs which we got is my mom got a pair of these cute, like it's a knitted, I don't know, it's like what material? It's a woolen material. But usually woolen materials is see-through, but this is like so good. Yeah, it's like a perfect airport outfit. It's in this cute blue kind of color, and we got it for like 7 BD. My sister's never done with the pair of how many pair of jeans she has. Shoes and jeans is like the most number she has. Tops, she'll either borrow it from me. She got this in a very cute color. It's like ripped over here and over here. Got this for like she got this for like 11 BD. And the next item is this, well, it's from the men's section. We went to get for my dad clothes. My sister happened to find this cute jacket. Well, it's sleeveless. It fits amazingly, so it's perfect. And well, this is kind of a little expensive. It was for 26. It was off sale. So we bought this cute hoodie, the yellow and white. Oh, it happens to be a banana. We didn't see. Oh, okay. So it's a banana. And we got this for dad for like 7 BD. The original price is 26. Oh my god. So yeah, I told you, getting like these stuffs for like this cheap from 26 to 7 is like bang on amazing. You have to get it. Cute bell bottom sleeves, but it's kind of carved in, and it fits perfect. I got this for like 13 BD. And it fits amazing. So yeah, I got this stuff. And then there's this amazing oversized olive green jacket. Love that. Now these were all the stuffs we got from Zara. Let's move on with the next store. The next stuff is from Calvin Klein. Well, my sister just got for herself a bralette from Calvin Klein. This cute white color. The next up is Tommy Hilfiger. Now there was 25 to 50% sale going on. This shop comes a little on the expensive side, so when there's sale, I guess it's amazing to buy from there. My mom got this amazing shirt for like 19 BD, but my mom got this from the off sale section. The next thing is I got for myself a shirt from Tommy, which is, this shirt is like a sportswear, like when I want to work out or like when I want to walk. So this is written Tommy Sport. This was like on sale. I got this. It's actually, its original price is like 26, but I got this for like 15. The next stop is we also did go to Center Point, and we did get pretty much clothes from there. I got for myself a pair of clips. Well, you can't see it. Oh god, focus. Okay, so it's written honey, and then it's written obvious, and it's written glam. Can't wait to try these. These clips are on trend. I love butterfly clips. And our last store is Sephora. It has to be something related to makeup. So my sister got for herself this chin lift wishful sculpting sheet mask. You know that chin lift of Huda Beauty. My mom bought for herself this famous shade, a liquid lipstick. Well, it turns matte after you wear it. So yeah, if you guys are getting lipstick, then please buy it from Huda Beauty. It's always so amazing. And I wanted, my foundation was getting over, so I wanted a foundation from Sephora in the shade Golden Walnut Medium. So I got that, and this wishful scrub. So yeah, got this Yo Glow enzyme scrub. So pretty much that was all the things we bought from Sephora. That being said, this is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the haul. This is pretty much the stuffs which we usually go to shopping and we get. Yesterday we did get a lot of home goodies. Which are too massive and too huge, which I cannot show it to you guys. Some are in the car, and it's for an upcoming project which I can't say it to you guys, but it is it will be up in like December. I'm gonna do a whole series video on that, and I'm so excited. I've planned so much for it. So I pray to God that whatever's going on in the whole world, like the pandemic, it gets over fast and we all live our normal lives without masks. Please don't forget to give this video a big like. Please don't forget to share this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button down there, you'll get a small bell. Don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to comment on the question of the day, which is I want to know your suggestions, like what videos do you want to see next on my channel. Well, this is a very long outro, and I'm really sorry for blabbering a lot, but if you have made it to the end, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe and love you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to keep smiling. I love you. Bye bye.